In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review after making a purchase online. This process not only helps other potential buyers, but also provides valuable feedback for sellers. Let's dive into how you can quickly and efficiently leave your thoughts on your recent purchase. First, you'll need to log into the platform where you made your purchase. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as this will streamline the process. Once logged in, navigate to the section titled Purchases and Reviews. This is your go-to spot for reviewing all the items you've bought and also where you can leave your reviews. Now take a moment to find the specific order for the item you wish to review. Depending on the platform, you might have a search function or filters to help narrow down the list. Use these tools to locate your order quickly. Once you found it, you'll see an option to leave a review. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you'll be taken to a page where you can add your rating and comments. Here's where honesty and detail really matter. Select the rating that best represents your experience with the product. Often this will be a star-based system, so think about how satisfied you were overall. Then move on to the comments section. This is your space to share more about your experience. Don't hesitate to include specifics about what you loved or didn't love about the product. Did it meet your expectations? Was the quality as described? Try to be as detailed as possible. This information is incredibly helpful for others. Once you're satisfied with your rating and comments, it's time to submit your review. Double check your comments if you want to ensure there aren't any typos or errors. When ready, click the submit button to finalize your feedback. And that's it. You've successfully left a review. This seemingly small action can make a big difference for both the seller and future buyers. Plus, engaging with the products you purchase in this way can often lead to better satisfaction and even inspire improvements from sellers. In summary, leaving a review is straightforward, beneficial, and now you've got the know-how to do it effectively. Don't underestimate the value of your voice. From offering praise to highlighting areas of improvement, your feedback is crucial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your review process smooth and insightful.